Hello, welcome to this YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you my upload process in YouTube, and for this demonstration, I'll be using my freelance YouTube channel, not the present one you're watching right now, so you can see what I put in place to ensure that the video performs. When I'm uploading my YouTube video, I deliberately titled the file of the video this name so that it can be picked up by the algorithm. You know, Google has this Google crawler stuff that picks up keywords on your video, so you don't want this being a random, maybe MV something or IM something, whatever your phone or your camera shoots it in. You don't want that name as what you rendered, so it's going to show that as a title, but this is not what I want to make my title. I just want that for SEO reason. I subscribed to vidIQ. Then even for the paid option of vidIQ, I use vidIQ. This feature, which is the AI generator, is the most valuable feature I think I see in vidIQ. Not because I don't use it to generate my scripts. I'm not impressed by it, but watch out for what I'm going to do now. So my first 100 million, this is 100 million. So why I'm adding this to it is just to give the generator an idea of what is contained in my video. So in this video, I talked about how I made my first 100 naira, how I made my first 1,000, how I made my first 2,000, all the way to how I made my first 100 million. You can check out the video if you want. Okay, so let's generate. So you can see I'm already uploading the video here and it's already on 61%. So while it's uploading, I want to do other things. I would show you, okay, there's a video on this channel on how I make my thumbnails within 5 minutes or thereabouts. Okay, so back to vidIQ. So vidIQ has generated this. It's telling me a related word is make money online. So I typically copy this and use it as my keyword, as part of my keyword. So the description has been given here. So I copy this description. So I can come back to revise this if I want to. So it's good that you read through it. These hashtags are not always accurate. Nobody is searching for wealth journey, financial freedom, so I'm going to delete this. Naira, investing, that's not personal finance. Okay, maybe personal finance is a bit related. Money mindset is okay, but I don't want, maybe I'll just leave, maybe let me have this as my first 1 million. Okay, because I know there are videos like this on YouTube where people talk about their first 1 million. So I want this video to rank among those videos since it's a similar concept. Okay, so for the thumbnail, I'm going to leave that. Then most times, looking at this feature, then look at vidIQ actually give me the option of generating an AI description. I seldom use that. Generating an AI title, let's try that. Let's see what it will give. I most times don't leave my title. I wouldn't leave this title the way it is. So they said I have 7 credits. Okay, the shocking truth about my first 100 million. Okay, this is nice. How I made my first 100 million. The mistake I made on my way to 100 million. Unbelievable. What really happened with my first 100 million? I am okay. These are good. So when it's done suggesting one, I would ask it to suggest 10 more. How I turned 100 naira to, no, that's not the truth. No, I didn't. That was not. So the titles are not bad, but they don't explain what my video is about. How I made my first 100 million naira. She asked how I made my first 100 million naira. Playlist is very important. You want people who find value in watching, maybe like you're watching my current video, you might want to check out my other video, and it's easier when you have a playlist. Then YouTube actually recommend other videos in the playlist. So this is the playlist. Okay, so if you click made for kids, comments will be deactivated from your video. Age range, don't restrict your video to over 18, no. Chapter, so if I want a chapter, I'm going to create it myself. Most times when I let YouTube create chapter for me, those chapters will not be SEO rankings. It should not factor in SEO, and it is not 100% accurate. So now you can see now you see the beauty of this. I just come here, copy this, then bring it here. But the fact that it's vidIQ doesn't mean, you can see this is a generic hashtag. Financial freedom, that's not what this video is about. Financial literacy, entrepreneur. Oh, Nigerian entrepreneur, this is very good. So I'm going to leave it at this. You don't want to use a full 500. Then YouTube will tell you that these tags are just for you to correct spellings of all this, but I don't believe them. Most creators don't believe them. So I have to put in some hashtags myself. On vidIQ will be showing you this rating. I've had videos that the ratings are not too good on vidIQ. That video did very fine. And videos that have 49, 48 that didn't do fine. So this is top booty. I think I preferred this one. So look at this publish to subscription field and notify subscribers. You know, there was a time people were saying that you should deactivate this. No, don't. Leave it activated so your subscribers can be notified. Then this is very important. What is the category of this video? Most times I teach things like how to write Upwork proposals, how to get your fan, all those with your Nigerian card. So those are how-to videos, right? So if you create how-to videos, definitely this is the category you should. But this particular video I'm uploading is not exactly an how-to video. It's just about myself. It's a people and blog video. So I'm good to go. You can see YouTube is done, complete my video. Now the HD. It is very important that you wait until your video is at HD before you publish live. I thought this channel is not monetized. So this channel is monetized. So the next step now is to say, okay, I want to monetize this video. So now let's see, add suitability. So this is YouTube letting me rate myself. Does this video has inappropriate language used? No. In the thumbnail, no. Adult content, no. Violence, no. Harmful, no. Recreational drug, no. Enabling dishonest behavior, hateful, no. Firearm related, no. Controversial event. Then after selecting that, how you rated your video overall, save for ads, then they submit. So subtitles are actually good for videos. So let me go back to Premiere Pro. So I use this particular plugin. So this plugin can automatically remove silence. It can help you add chapters to your video for YouTube. But because I'm doing a 30 days challenge on my other YouTube channel, I might not want to do everything, but I want caption, so let me make it. So it's transcribing my video for me. You can transcribe your video in any other way that is convenient for you. While we wait, add end screen. It's best to add just one video at the end of the screen. But sometimes I add more than one video. There's no add and fast rule. So in this video, I'm talking about how I made a lot of money from Upwork. So it might trigger some people's interest in Upwork. So I might want to show them another video that can continue that thought process. Maybe this video with my guy who made $6,000 on Fiverr in 1 month. So no copyright issue found. So you don't want to use some music that are for other YouTubers or other creators. It has processed to HD. You don't want to post your video as unlisted. So when you post your video as unlisted, YouTube relates with this video as though it has been posted live. So like the first 5 hours, the first 5 days or 6 days of that video, you know, it's unlisted and not everybody will, it will not be recommended. It will not be recommended to people and all that. But then the performance of the video would not be good. So even when you make it public, it might struggle. So it's best to have it in private if you are not ready to let the video out. So vidIQ is telling me the best time, current best time to. So another thing I do sometimes is schedule. So let's go back to details. Remember, we've not changed the thumbnail. So it has generated the caption. If I have more time, I preview the caption. If I don't, I just let it be. Oh, I scheduled the video for September 10, that's tomorrow. I'm actually coming back to change the thumbnail. Let me do that.
Hello.
Save this. So I already have some templates. I can just come change it and I'm good to go. So let me use this. So I'm changing this. Then where is it? Then replacing it with this. So I'm done with the thumbnail. Very simple. Yeah, this may not be the best thumbnail, I know, but this works. So it's important that I don't leave the title of this thumbnail as this 30DC thumbnail, blah, blah, blah. It affects the SEO of your YouTube videos. So I can name something related. It's actually best to create maybe like 2 variations of your thumbnail. So I did a second thumbnail. So I want it to be less than 2 megabytes. So back to YouTube, I can close this. So I can come back to YouTube here. So one thing I observe with this test and compare is that the thumbnail that you like the most, in spite of the fact that you want to test, put it as the first one. Because if YouTube runs the test and compare and it's not able to get to a conclusion, it will by default just activate the first thumbnail as your thumbnail. So it's better to have the one you prefer. Yeah, you can also show your 2 thumbnails to friends. Sometimes I do 3 thumbnails. Okay, so after uploading 3 thumbnails, so I can come here, change the video from scheduled to publish. And we are done. So if there's anything, any trick, yeah, I would add chapter later. But remember, I'm doing a 30 days challenge, so I can't cross my T's, dot my I, but I will surely make videos around that as we go.